forecast, and Kristen will check on those roads still ahead on CBS 6 this morning.
Now from CBS 6, the Weather Authority, meteorologist Tom Patton.
All right, a couple stories today. It's going to be hot and humid again. The heat index a bit over 100 by this afternoon. And tomorrow we'll have the remnant of Laura scooch through the area. And I'll show you what that means for us. Right now we've got a partly cloudy sky outside. It's warm, it's muggy, it's 77 degrees. The dew point is 69. We still have a breeze out of the west-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Outside of Louisa, everybody's in the 70s. Louisa at 68, though mid-70s along the coast, 75 up in Atlee and 72 down in Petersburg. Today we'll look for a high of around 94 degrees, partly sunny skies. It's going to be hot and humid today, and again the heat index could approach 100 or slightly above that by the afternoon, so act accordingly. We had a few showers try to work their way through overnight, and a few folks got just a little bit of light rain out to the west, maybe Powhatan and Cumberland and Louisa in some of those spots. So you may have a little wet pavement in spots, but it wasn't enough to wake you up. If you were at the Bay, Chesapeake Bay, or down around Virginia Beach, Sandbridge, Corolla, Duck, any of those areas, some strong thunderstorms came through very early this morning. This is Laura, just a tropical depression or an area of low pressure, subtropical I should say. Still spinning around, but you can see not nearly as intense with the rainfall. A lot of that dissipated. She is going to move in our direction tomorrow. But later on tonight, we can see a couple stray showers or storms out of some energy up near the Great Lakes, and that could affect us into the evening or overnight. So there's a marginal risk for that, but I think those are going to be just rather widespread showers or storms. Again, anytime late into the evening or overnight. This is for tomorrow. This is a slight risk, a 2 out of 5. There'll be a line of showers and storms that are specifically with Laura that'll come through tomorrow between around noon and 5 in the afternoon. So today, partly sunny skies. As I mentioned, this evening I think there'll be a shower or a storm in spots. Same deal with the early overnight. But it's tomorrow when Laura comes through, and she'll drag a cold front with her. And this is 10 o'clock, and then we get to about noon to 1 in the afternoon. Then she'll have an effect on us then. This will be a pretty strong line of showers and storms, and maybe some severe thunderstorms with gusty winds. An isolated tornado not out of the question with that, but she quickly moves out, and I think by 5 o'clock, we really start to clear out around here. So any winds tomorrow will be associated with a strong thunderstorm. It's not going to be a rainy, windy day, but we do have a chance to pick up some heavier amounts if you do happen to get one of those storms. So near an inch, maybe more or a bit less in some spots tomorrow. All right, 88 tomorrow, and then Sunday looks great, 85. It's dry, it's sunny, and then more showers and storms next week, 80s and low 90s by the middle part of next week. Rob?